Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to take you through our awesome 2013 Yamaha SX240. This boat has everything. It's got the bow filler cushions, the little movable backrest flip-ups, center filler, huge bow, the front ladder to go off the front of the boat, awesome walkthrough, air dam door, ski locker, huge storage underneath here. It's got the co-captain chairs, both with bolsters. Has a Clarion stereo system. Dual motors for plenty of horsepower for water skiing, wakeboarding, tubing, just all your family fun. Great storage under all the seats. Has another walk-through pad that goes right here, so you can fill that in to have a full wraparound seating area back here. But it has a great area back here to hang out. Has the attachment for a table to go on the back of the boat. Has the rear stereo control back here. Just an all-around awesome boat. Really clean. Comes with the trailer. Black with the white hull. Gorgeous boat. Come and check out this 2013 Yamaha SX240 high output motors at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Check it out at MarineMaxGreenville.com.